My topic is Ayurveda. Ayurveda comes under Indian system of medicines. According to this system, medicines are classified under 5 categories. We know that Ayurveda, Yoga, Unani, Siddha and Homeopathy. Along with these 5, one more is there, that is Naturopathy. So my topic is Ayurveda. According to Indian system of medicines, it gives us knowledge and benefits of plants and minerals that are used in medicines or directly used for therapeutic purposes. Ayurveda. The word Ayurveda itself says that Ayur means life, Veda means science. So it is the science of life. Ayurveda is the oldest system of medicine which came into existence in 900 BC. Ayurveda. It includes 2 books, Charaka Samhita, written by Charaka, who is father of Ayurveda, and another book is Sushrita Samhita, written by Sushrita. These 2 books give contribution to Ayurveda. The principles involved in Ayurveda. There are 3 principles. The first principle is Panch Mahabhuta. In this word, Pancha means 5 and Mahabhuta means elements. This principle is based on 5 elements, that is Prithvi, Jal, Vayu, Agni and Akash. We know that Prithvi is earth, Jal is water, Vayu is air, Agni is fire and Akash is sky. According to this principle Panch Mahabhuta, whole universe is made up of 5 elements: earth, water, air, fire and sky. Along how the whole universe is made of these elements, our body is also made up of these elements. These elements should be present in balance in our body. When they imbalance, we become sick or unhealthy and cause illness. And second one is Tridosha. The principle involved in Tridosha is 3 is nothing but 3 and dosha is nothing but disease. According to this principle, these five elements exist in 3 components, where first one is Kapha, second one is Vata and third one is Pitta. The components of Vata is earth and water. Vata is air and sky. And Pitta is water and sun. That means these 5 elements exist in our body as 3 components, that is Kapha, Vata and Pitta. When they imbalance, we will feel unhealthy and illness. So for example, let me take Kapha. Kapha regulates mucus secretion, formation of fluids and heat. When they imbalance, we get diseases like brain disorders and joint pains and sickness. Vata. This regulates psychic and nervous system. When they imbalance in our body, they causes central nervous system, skin diseases and other diseases. Pitta. It regulates digestion, tissue metabolism and energy production. When they imbalance, we get acidity, digestion problems and liver problems. And finally, the third principle of Ayurveda is Guna Rasa Siddhanta. This principle is based on 5 pharmacological properties The 5 pharmacological properties of drug substance include gun, which is nothing but quality, rasa, which is nothing but taste, virya, it is active principle, These are the 5 elements of this Brunner-Russell Siddhant, which contain 5 pharmacological properties of drug substance. First one is gun, that is nothing but quality. Ras is the taste. Virya is the active principle. Vipaka is the digestive product. And Prabhava is the therapeutic effect. Thank you.